I've been really trying to be more conscious about the oils that I'm using to make food for my family. And so I was really excited to receive this extra virgin olive oil from the brand Atlas Olive Oils. What stood out to me first is the certifications that they have. If you turn it over, there is a lot of organic certifying bodies that have credentialed them. The USDA, China, Morocco. So someone can say they're organic, but actually having other important bodies credential them is important. So you know you're getting something that's authentically organic. I really have enjoyed cooking this. I've used this, excuse me, for my veggies. Excuse me. It has tasted really good, and it just makes you feel like you're doing something good for your body, and it's something easy to do. You know, switching out from other cooking oils to, you know, extra virgin olive oil is just an easy decision to make. It's part of, you know, Mediterranean diet. On here it says perfect for keto diet. So, you know, it just makes making a good decision easy. There's so many temptations out there, and it's hard to, it can be overwhelming to switch a lot of things. So switching to extra virgin olive oil and a good brand was just an easy one for me. I love that it comes with a lot in here. This has 34 fluid ounces, so a little bit goes a long way. There's a good amount in here. And it's easy to pour. I love the pour feature on it. So it's, you know, it kind of strains it automatically. And I'll show that with my pan. So here's my pan. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to pour. I usually use put my olive oil in a sprayer, so to avoid, you know, using too much. But this one makes it easy because, like I said, it has that little topper on it. Definitely, if you're looking for ways to add healthier oils into your diet, this organic extra virgin olive oil from Atlas is definitely one worth trying. Tastes good, and like I said, they have the credentials to back it up. So definitely recommend.